Middletown DWI Lawyer. A DWI charge in Middletown, New York can threaten your career, your driving privileges, and nearly every aspect of your daily life. In New York, driving while intoxicated is a criminal offense, and even a first conviction can result in mandatory fines, a license revocation of at least 6 months, and potential jail time. But an arrest does not make a conviction inevitable, because the legality of the traffic stop, the reliability of the chemical test, and the procedures officers followed can all be challenged. New York's DWI laws are found in Vehicle and Traffic Law Section 1192, which defines several distinct offenses based on the type of impairment and the driver's blood alcohol content level. A DWA charge under VTL Section 1192-1 is a traffic infraction for a first offense, and an officer can bring it even when your BAC is below 0.08% based on observed signs of impairment. A per se DWI under Section 1192-2 applies when your BAC reaches 0.08% or higher, and the prosecution needs no additional proof of impaired driving beyond that single number. Common law DWI under Section 1192-3 relies instead on the arresting officer's observations, such as slurred speech, bloodshot eyes, the odor of alcohol, and poor field sobriety test performance. Aggravated DWI under Section 1192-2A applies when a driver's BAC reaches 0.18% or higher, carrying steeper penalties and a 1-year license revocation for a first offense. Under Leandra's law, driving while intoxicated with a child aged 15 or younger in the vehicle is automatically charged as a felony, regardless of whether it is a first offense. Penalties escalate sharply for repeat offenders, with a third DWI conviction within 10 years classified as a Class 500 felony carrying fines up to $10,000 and up to 7 years in prison. Beyond fines and incarceration, a conviction triggers a $250 annual driver responsibility assessment for 3 consecutive years, mandatory ignition interlock device installation, and possible completion of the New York State Impaired Driver Program. Effective February 2026, any driving while conviction in New York also adds 11 moving violation points to your license, a significant new consequence that did not previously apply. Attorney Randall F. Inniss brings a uniquely powerful perspective to these cases, having spent approximately 22 years as a New York State trooper and investigator and personally conducting over 100 DWI arrests before becoming a lawyer. That first-hand knowledge of how law enforcement conducts traffic stops, administers field sobriety tests, and processes chemical testing gives clients of this law firm a distinct strategic advantage. Randall has handled DWI cases throughout Orange County and the Hudson Valley for more than 16 years, building an approach grounded in real-world experience on both sides of an arrest. Call the Inniss Firm, PLLC at 845-470-4236, located at 280 NY-211 Ste 203, Middletown, New York 10940, to schedule your free consultation with a dedicated law firm ready to defend your rights today